Okay, today we're going southern and making a Cajun okra and fish stew. First up, the Cajun Holy Trinity, which is onions, bell peppers, and celery. I sauteed those together with a little garlic, then added a can of tomatoes, some potatoes, and the okra, of course. Mix all that together, and then I'm adding chicken stock and a bottle of clam juice, because it is a fish stew after all. A couple of bay leaves, some thyme, a little salt, and some Worcestershire sauce. A generous helping of Cajun spice. Cover and simmer for about 30 minutes. Now for the fish. I added some cut up cod and then some shrimp. Make sure the shells are on, that adds to the flavor. Stir that in. It only takes about 10 minutes for everything to cook and you are done. Easy and oh so delicious.